Gah. This is too much like work. I think I bit off more than I could chew for this hour of the day, but I wanted to put some time in to work earlier, and that sort of cut into the middle of the day. And now it's evening, and I'm out of my steam. But my goal is to get to the top of Mount Toby and then walk the easy path down, which is longer. It's 4.5 miles, but at least it's downhill. Maybe I'll come down the same way, but I don't want to really bang up my knees. I'll take it easy on my knees on the way back. But I want a good workout. And this is definitely a good workout, especially while you're talking. Oh, reminds me, I want to get some kind of oil for my pack because it squeaks, and I don't like squeaky packs. Anyway, here's where we are. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following me along on the Robert Frost Trail and other places in the Pioneer Valley of Western Massachusetts. Thank you. Cheers.